Do you ever find it challenging to practice speaking a new language? Without regular partners or access to language classes, it can be hard to improve your fluency and confidence. Today, we're going to show you how to use AI to practice speaking a new language. Whether you're preparing for a trip or just want to polish your speaking skills, AI can be your always available and free of charge practice partner. Let's dive in. In this video, we'll share a free prompt for ChatGPT or Gemini Live that will help you practice speaking a new language effectively. Choose an AI tool, like ChatGPT or Gemini Live, and use the prompt you see on your screen. Here's how your prompt should look. I'm looking to practice speaking a language. Please ask me up to 10 questions to understand my language proficiency level and preferences. Ask questions one by one, waiting for my response before moving on. Be ready to ask follow-up questions if needed. Further, the prompt includes instructions to the AI regarding questions it should ask you to understand your learning goals and interests. Evaluate your language proficiency and tailor future speaking sessions accordingly. You can also see this prompt in the description of the video. Copy and paste it into your favorite conversational AI tool, and it will start asking you questions about your language learning preferences. After you respond to the AI's questions, it will use your answers from the initial session to tailor future sessions. The AI will engage in dynamic and interactive conversations with you, simulating discussions that match your skill level and preferences. It will help improve your fluency and confidence by politely correcting your mistakes and suggesting alternative ways to express the same idea. It's like having a personal language tutor available anytime. Practice speaking with your free AI language partner regularly, and you'll be amazed at how quickly your language skills improve. Got a topic you want us to cover next? Drop your ideas in the comments below. If you enjoyed seeing how AI can simplify your language learning, give us a